What's up, everybody? We here with the detail. This client bought this vehicle, and you said you bought it in this condition, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So you bought it in. Yep.
No, got it. I didn't put it. I didn't even listen.
I don't blame you. Right. But yes, sir. Yeah, this is how he bought the vehicle, you guys, and we are about to get this bad boy cleaned up for him. As y'all can see, it's a disaster. It's Sunday, and I usually don't work on Sundays, but we got to get some good footage of this. Y'all see it, everything. It's really, I'm gonna really focus on the driver's side, and yeah, man. We're gonna clean up these seats the best we can. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned for the after. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but yes, sir. Y'all see, but we gonna get it all cleaned up, so don't worry about it. Don't trip. Don't trip. Don't trip. Y'all see everything. Yeah, man, stay tuned for the after. And we'll try to get it cleaned up and get them out here. So yeah, I got a little family in town, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and go enjoy this beautiful Sunday. And yes, sir, y'all stay tuned for the after. Alrighty, you guys, this is BJ. We are back and done with this Buick. And yeah, we got the client here. What you think about the detail?
Oh, man, it's where it goes, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For the job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. Y'all see we got it all cleaned up. Buick was very dirty, if y'all remember that. We got the door. Y'all remember the door is very dirty. The steering wheel cleaned that up. Yes, sir. And everything done. Y'all check it out. Check it out. Highly recommend it. Look at him. He don't know how to act, y'all. He don't know how. Look, nobody can ride in the vehicle. Take your shoes off, matter of fact. You got the back seat real good. Take your shoes off, don't get in here. You got everything shampooed and everything clean. Look at that, check that out. Cannot beat that. Got inside the doors. Really good. And yes, sir, yes, sir. But yes, I'm gonna let him go ahead go. It's Sunday. He's drying out. Sunday, he been waiting patiently. He even bought something from the store. Let me see what he got. Look at him, y'all. There you go. Come on now, can't beat the coffee machine. Yeah, he got the coffee machine. Got him some earbuds. Come on, man, check him out. Oh, on the seat over there. Got him some earbuds. Look at him, man, look at him. Look at him, look at him. Yes, sir, he don't know how to act right now, y'all. Got him some earbuds. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My brother.
Cheap.
I appreciate you.
Real cheap.
I appreciate you.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all, I'm gonna let him go ahead and go. Y'all, he feeling good. Car clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. You ain't gotta tell me twice. But y'all, I'm out. Hope you guys enjoyed the after of the video. And go ahead, book with us today if you live in the Kansas City metro area, 913-620-5582. Peace.